Hey, in today's video is lesson number 2, understanding what the heck are these little things up here for in your Lofty account. Just to remember and refresh you guys, I've been on the system for over 8 years, so if I accidentally call it Chime, please just skate over it because it used to be called Chime for many years, and up until recently it switched to Lofty. So there you go, my disclaimer. All right, so here we go, top of the bar. Lofty. Well, if you click on that, it's going to take it to your dashboard, excuse me, which is right here. People. Now, when they say people, they mean your leads, clients, whatever you have in your system. These are the bread and butter of your system. Transactions kind of speaks for itself. If you want to, they have a really good pipeline system where you can move people through. I use a transaction coordinator, so I don't use this side of it. But if you want to track your transactions through Lofty, it's easy to do. Calendar. This is if you have anything connected to your specific calendar. So if people lock in appointments and things like that, here you go. This is your calendar. Listings. This is all of the listings in your market area, but you can create hot sheets and things like that. But we'll go through it in a different video. Next is marketing. This is another, I'm going to say this a lot, bread and butter. Where you can do a lot of other things, create smart plans, buyer lead gen, listing blast, social studio, landing pages, love landing pages, CMAs. So that's all there. Also, too, some of these things may not be available to you depending on what account you have. What I'm using is the Real account that we have with our Real brokerage. So depending on, again, the account you may have, you may or may not see these things. If you don't see them, you're probably on a lesser account, sadly. Reporting. This is really cool because you can see what you're doing on a regular basis. How many leads have come in the last 2 hours, et cetera, et cetera. If you are a team leader or a broker, this is awesome because you can do your accountability of your teammates or people in your office. So this is just me. I don't run a team anymore, but you could do so many things with the marketing tab, and I'll go into it in a different video. I'm going to skip the website. Marketplace, if you want to do some add-ons to yourself, this is what you're going to find here, some third-party services. Typically, these aren't included with your Lofty account. Again, with the Real account, we do get the AI and the CMA account with Real. Those are typically add-ons other places. And then here, settings kind of speaks for itself. We'll go over this again, but this is where you're going to clean things up and put your mugshot on there. And then lastly, the website. And I'll go into much detailed of how to edit your website, but this is where you're going to find how to edit your website, how to do all the fun things to your website. And again, that's under the website tab. So these are the basics, but remember, I'm going to go over these all into full detail and kind of give you some high points of each one. So don't worry. Lastly, if you're a Lofty user and you're having questions, don't forget there's a search bar up here. But also, guess what? Show me how, help center. And if you think of some really cool things that you would like to see in this account, make sure you submit a ticket. It may happen. It's happened to me. So the cool thing is we all want to make this the best system possible. And this is how you do it.